Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Rishit Inspiring Kids. Today I am going to share with you top 20 mind-blowing English grammar quiz for all grades. Please watch the video till end. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Your first question is: identify the correct spelling. Disappointment, 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 or disappointment. The time starts now. And your correct answer is disappointment. Your next question is: which idioms mean very common? Break the ice, a dime a dozen, cut corners, none of the above. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is a dime of a dozen. Your next question is: fill in the blanks with the correct verb tense. Right now, he dashed basketball with his boys. Was playing, is playing, will played, played. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is playing. Your next question is: what does it mean to face the music? Listen to music, sing a song, accept the reality, accept what is being said. Time starts now. And the correct answer is accept the reality. Your next question is: find a synonym for contented. Sad, satisfied, angry, tired. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is satisfied. Your next question is: choose the correct preposition. The cat is hiding. Dash the table. In, under, for, off. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is under. Your next question is: rearrange the alphabets to get a meaningful word. Heavy, heavenly, vanilla, evenly. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is heavenly. Your next question is: choose a suitable option to fill in the blanks. Mom has not bought a dress for Sarah. Hasn't she? Has she? Did she? Does she? Your time starts now. And the correct answer is has she. Your next question is: choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. The bus left the venue as soon as all the passengers got off, under, over, below. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is off. Your next question is: fill in the blanks. He dash smiled dash looked at me. Neither, nor, either, or, both and. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is neither nor. Your next question is: choose the correct set of options to fill in the blanks. Hurry up, we need to be at dash airport in dash hours. And, a, a, and a, the end. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is the end. Your next question is: Choose the correct option to fill in the blanks. Have you seen my bag and wallet? Somewhere, anywhere, everywhere, nowhere. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is anywhere. Your next question is, she dash her homework every day. Do, does, doing, did. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is does. Your next question is, choose the synonym of brave. Covered, bold, fearful, weak. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is bold. Your next question is, there are apples in the basket. Much, little, many, less. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is many. Your next question is, the dog is sitting dash the chair. In, under, between, inside. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is under. Your next question is, identify the verb in the sentence. The baby cried loudly. Baby cried loudly. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is cried. Your next question is, we dashed football yesterday. Play, played, plays, playing. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is played. Your next question is, meaning of the idiom hit the nail on the head means to hit something, to say exactly right, to make a mistake, to build something. Your time starts now. And the correct answer is to say exactly right. Your last question is, choose the correct pronoun. Each of the girls brought dash notebook. Their, her, its, his. Your time starts now. And your correct answer is her. Thank you, friends. If you liked my session, please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Meet you in the next video. Goodbye.